Want to learn how to introduce yourself the right way in English? Today's lesson will make it super easy for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Top Lingo. This video will help you talk to new people, start conversations, speak confidently in the real conversation and in real life. Let's begin. Step 1. Say your name. The easiest way. Hi, I'm Elena. Or, hello, my name is Elena. Don't say myself, Elena. That's definitely wrong. Step 2. Say your age. Students often make this mistake. I have 20 years old. Or I have 20 years. Correct. I'm 20 years old or I'm 20. Examples. I'm 18 years old. I'm 25 years old. You can also say I'm 25. I'm 18. It's short, simple, and natural. Step 3. Say your country. Examples. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm from Brazil. Avoid saying I'm come from Brazil. Where are you from? Comment below, please. Step 4. Say your job or study. Examples. If you go to school or if you are studying. I'm a student. I study English. If you work, I'm a teacher. I'm a driver. I'm a nurse. I'm an engineer. Here is a grammar tip. Use a or in before jobs. An engineer, a teacher, a doctor, an artist. Step 5. Say one extra detail. This makes your introductions more interesting. Examples. I love music. I like cooking. I enjoy reading. I live in New York. I have one brother. Keep it simple, please. Don't make sentences too complicated. Here is full introduction. Hi, I'm Elena. I'm 25 years old. I'm from the United States. I'm an English teacher. I like traveling and making photos. Another example. Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm 22. I'm from Qatar. I'm a doctor and I like cooking. Now it's your turn. My name is. I'm years old. I'm from. I'm a or an. And I like. Thanks for watching Top Lingo. If you want a video on introducing your family, write yes, family video in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next class.